Hey everybody, John Adams with Modern Design Aquascaping, and I am here today to answer for you the simple question, what is an ecosystem pond? Aquascape really embraced the ecosystem philosophy around 2000. The ecosystem pond was designed to be simple and beautiful and to be a place where you can relax and spend time with the people you love. So that's really the concept of the whole ecosystem pond. It's an extension of your landscaping. It should just seamlessly flow from your plant material down into the pond, back out through the plants, the fish. You've got all of these elements working together, and it's very organic and natural looking. The basis is on the whole water garden and not just fish. And I think that's the difference between a traditional koi pond and an ecosystem pond, is that the ecosystem is about the entire thing. It draws in kids, it draws in nature, it draws in animals. Everything is attracted to the sounds and the sights of a beautiful ecosystem pond. What is involved in an ecosystem pond? So you start out with this easy to maintain system, and it contains rocks and gravel. So ideally we have no hardware showing anywhere. Everything looks natural, like you're seeing something right out of the mountainside. You have fish, you have aquatic plants, and you have filtration. There's two types of filtration on an ecosystem pond. You've got a mechanical filter, which you physically remove like a skimmer basket, like you have on a swimming pool. And then you've got a biological filter, which is where all of nature's little microorganisms colonize to purify your water. So an ecosystem pond in its totality really comprises of rocks and gravel, fish, aquatic plants, some filtration that's built right into the pond where you can't see it, and it's just an organic place where you can sit, relax, and enjoy time with the ones you love. So if you want to know more about ecosystem ponds, I definitely will create more content about each aspect of the ecosystem and the science of how it works and why it works. And if you like the content that I'm putting out for you, there's a little thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below. If there's something you want to know more about, let me know and I'll answer you. I appreciate you guys listening. Thanks.